Summer is just around the corner, so it's time for my traditional IKEA seasonal video. Today, I'm excited to head to IKEA to discover the latest summer collections and see what fresh inspiration they have in store for the warmer months ahead. Starting with the upstairs display area, we are greeted with this colorful garden or terrace setup. It consists of bright yellow and orange SUNDÖ chairs with a yellow matching table. To complete the summer vibe, they added a tray with colorful glasses for refreshing drinks. At the center of the table, they also added blue and white tablecloth to bring a bit of contrast in color and add to the overall summer theme. Besides that, they had this very cheap set of 3 food containers with lids, which are very convenient for packing food for picnic trip or storing food in the fridge. They are in the blue summer color and pretty much unbreakable. Additionally to glass, they also have this dishwasher-safe, colorful plastic cups. In one of the displayed rooms, this cute yellow lamp caught my eye as nice pop of color in the bedroom and to bring soft dim light before bedtime. Moving to the couches section, this bright yellow-blue combo immediately caught my attention. It doesn't necessarily have to be the specific couch and table, just a great inspiration for color combo. They are matching perfectly. Next, we have some small details scattered around in the couches section that caught my eye, like these transparent glasses with yellow details that come in a set of 2, or this bright yellow vase, an easy way to add summer pop of color to any room. After that, in the same section, I noticed on one of the tables this set of 4 white balls with interesting blue patterns. Accompanying that, on the couch, they added blue patterned pillow with discrete flowers, highlighting the blue as one of the main colors for the summer. Quick intermission with bright yellow octopuses, which was the main attraction for the kids in IKEA. They loved it. Almost every kid had one in their arms while running through IKEA store. Later in the store, I saw this new limited edition light blue umbrella and coat stand. In the dining room section, they set up a display with blue-white sea tones. We again have the appearance of the blue and white checkered tablecloth and new type of summer glasses, transparent with light blue stripes. The whole blue-white display with a touch of yellow takes me to the sunny summer day by the ocean or sea. IKEA really made the right decision choosing these colors for the summer collection. The whole setup gives out Mediterranean vibes and brings the feeling of being in a taverna on the Greek coast. Next, I saw these new white and red foldable chairs. Easy to store and lightweight to pull out for celebration as extra seatings. I again saw these beautiful bowls, now with small plates. Each bowl has a different pattern, which makes them more interesting. But regardless of that, they are all matching together perfectly. And colorful glasses again. And in the kitchen section, I saw these light blue mugs. Next, this small terrace inspiration with bright orange balcony set caught my eye. Further into the kitchen section, I saw this new bright yellow cutlery holder to bring color and joy into the kitchen and dining room table. Next, I saw the display of the front porch with colorful string lights on the awning and wooden chairs and table set. Great for small spaces and also with subtle blue lighting on the table to match the rest of the atmosphere. Moving on to the bedroom section. For the summer, I noticed this green and white duvet cover and pillowcases with a summer pattern. Makes you dream of tropical island vibes. Again, we are meeting with these cute yellow lamps for the bedroom nightstands. Another new summer element in ocean tone and very interesting shape is this small mirror to add depth to any room. In the same tones as mirror we just saw, they have a set of duvet cover and pillowcases, if you want to match it all together in the blue summer tones. And of course, they didn't miss having blue decorative pillows in the same color. Lastly, in the upstairs area, we have the kids section. And at first glance, you can see it is inspired with sea world creatures. They made garden or beach display with blue and white striped sun umbrella and kids table with chairs and sand toys. They have everything to bring for kids to play at the beach in bright colors. Sun umbrella itself is not specifically for kids, but to bring small shade to everybody sitting outside in the summer. Everything is in cheerful colors and interesting shapes. Excellent for outside kids play in the summer. Continuing with the ocean vibes, they have this extremely creative playmat for kids, featuring a small octopus, a starfish, a whale, and plenty other sea-related motifs, helping your baby develop its senses through play. Next, we have this cooling bag, of course, matching the theme present throughout the whole store, with its blue and white dotted pattern. This is a perfect for keeping your baby's food from spoiling or for your refreshing drink. For packing the rest of the stuff for a beach day, they have this ocean theme bag featuring a cute seal, a sailboat, a coral, and more. Moving on to the kids' beddings. Here is my selection of summer or sea-inspired duvet cover and pillowcases for the little ones. In the downstairs area, we are greeted with a blue version of the SUNDÖ outdoor set of foldable table and chairs that can introduce a pop of color to your terrace or garden. I also saw them in several other bright summer colors. This brings joy to any outdoor space and allows you to enjoy a scoop of ice cream or a refreshing drink surrounded by cheerful colors. At the beginning of the kitchen section, we again have the stars of this summer, Enthusiasm collection, featuring signature blue-white bowls and plates. Throughout the kitchen section, I picked out everything new or fitting with the summer theme. In the textile section, main colors for this summer are bright green, bright yellow, and deep royal blue. sometimes in combination with white. They are present everywhere in this section. Just a quick note, green in real life was a bit lighter and brighter than what is shown in the video. All the other colors are pretty much accurate, but green is for some reason shown different through the camera. Enjoy my selection with some pleasant music.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
Moving on to the bedroom section. Some of the duvet covers and pillowcases combos I already showed you earlier because they were featured on the beds upstairs. But I included them here anyways, so you have all the beddings at one place. I also made sure I included all the labels. I don't think it's necessary to tell you what each pattern is in details. You can see it through the montage, so I will let you watch it with the music. Next, we have the bathroom section. In case you want to bring a touch of summer in there too, with its bright signature summer colors. Moving on to the lights. They have a wide selection of solar-powered pendant lamps for outdoor spaces, from small terraces and front porches to large garden, in summer and ocean themes. This white one with orange-reddish starfishes is my personal favorite. They are all from Solvingen collection, and when they are not in use, they fold flat, so they don't take much space to store. Next we have a big light blue solar-powered floor lantern and a smaller blue table lantern. Lastly, we have a wide selection of colorful outdoor string lighting. Transitioning to vases and pots. Firstly, I picked out a selection of new interesting summer-toned vases as a low-effort way to sprinkle summer vibes into any room or an outdoor space. They look already very nice standalone, but you can also enhance them with seasonal fresh flowers. Secondly, I picked out a few pots for plants, if that's more your vibe. They are all in distinct deep royal blue tones to elevate your plants with class and summer vibes. And lastly, I couldn't resist showing you this cute dark blue watering can. In the outdoor section, we have some repeats of the SUNDÖ colorful sets of tables and chairs, which I already mentioned earlier, as a great pop of color to any outdoor space. They are also accompanied with some matching royal blue pillowcases. Further into the same section, garden setup is transitioning to the beach collection. Everything is in deep royal blue and white tones. Sun umbrella, beach chairs, beach loungers, stools, and folding tables. Most of the items from the beach is from the SUNDÖ collection, and kids' toys for playing in the sand are from the SUNDÖ collection. Additionally, by the exit I saw a beach tent, of course, in the same blue tones, accompanied with everything else we saw at the previous display. And finally, miscellaneous category, consisting of all the items I spotted throughout IKEA that didn't fit in any of the previous categories. First, boxes. Next, folding umbrella in blue and white stripes. A tote bag with very interesting cheerful pattern, with 2 sets of handles and foldable into a small square, easy to carry with you. Next we have small rugs in yellow and white blue tones, perfect for adding a touch of summer to any room that needs it. They are rectangular in shape, measuring 90 centimeters in length and 60 centimeters in width. And lastly, interestingly shaped blue mirror. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!